No, I know what you're thinking. Hello guys, and welcome back to Girls Beauty. So guys, as you know, I'm really obsessed with straight, shiny and silky hair. So for that, I straighten my hair almost like every week, which is not good for sure, I know that. But still I want to look presentable, so for that I was scrolling the internet. I wanted to look for a home remedy which can straighten my hair, if not completely straighten, at least can smoothen my hair so that the frizziness reduces. So I was thinking, it's not just me, there are so many people who are obsessed with nice, less frizzy hair. So I thought of sharing this video with you guys because this might save you time or at least one less remedy to test. If it works, amazing. If it doesn't work, you know not to go for it. So guys, today this is the video which I have picked. I'm going to try the home remedy suggested in this video and I will show you guys the results. It's up to you to decide, is it a fail or win-win? So let's jump right into the video.
So this is what I used for this home remedy. A cup of milk, lemon juice, mix everything together and put it in a spray bottle. You're good to go. So as mentioned in the video, I sprayed it on my hair length.
Okay guys, so I'm back after washing my hair. My hair feels soft, definitely, but I don't see any straight hair effect here. But I won't be judgmental, so I will wait till I dry my hair completely and then I will come back and show it to you guys. So it might take a few hours, so I would say I will come and see you guys in the morning. No, I know what you're thinking. This is not how my hair looked after that treatment. This is how my hair looked exactly after washing and air drying my hair. It completely stripped off the color which I had in my hair. So this is the video which I shot just before applying this home remedy, and this is how it looked after applying, washing and air drying my hair. Forget about straight hair, honestly, I don't care. If remedy doesn't work, that's okay. But it did completely the opposite. It made my hair look so dry. It completely stripped off the color which I got done just 2 months back. So to reverse the effect, I had to color my hair dark so that it doesn't look that brittle, dirty. Honestly, that color looked just crap. I was super happy with my color and now I can't go back. So now you can see my roots are darker and even till the mid of the length my hair is very dark because I intentionally did it to hide the impact of that pathetic home remedy. And then I had to get 2 deep conditioning treatments done at salon to make my hair look like this. Honestly, it costed me so much stress, money. I would never recommend this remedy to anyone. If you have colored hair, just forget about that home remedy. And even if you don't have colored hair, honestly, it doesn't do anything in terms of straightening your hair. It is a waste of time. So I would say don't go for it. Save your hair. Just get any deep conditioning or any other treatment done. This home remedy is a waste of time. Hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below. I love reading your comments. If you have any video requests, please do let me know by commenting in the section below. You can also let me know either on Facebook or Instagram. So I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep your locks nice and curly. Bye!